Hi, my name is Tanya, and today I'm presenting my fourth assignment for social data mining. So, these are the requirements for the assignment basically. So, I will for like there are going to be three steps that we need to do. First, we'll have to perform the steps. Um, like we have to select a topic, and then we have to basically do like train the data to see the performance, and then do the image. We have to do the evaluation for the image classifier. So this is the presentation that we're supposed to do. Now for the for the assignment, I have done the following process. So first, I have created a new project in custom vision, and then I have created so after I have created a project, I have uploaded images, and so that to recognize the image, I have basically created tags. So I have created different tags, uploaded those images, and tagged those tags that I have created, and then I have trained, like I click on the train button, which will basically give me the performance of my images, and then I have done the testing. So I have done quick tests for different images, and then I have done the prediction for it. So this is the flowchart basically for the assignment that I have done today. So the topic for my assignment is basically shoes. So I have three categories, three types of shoes basically. I have used sneakers, formals, and loafers. I have also given one more category, which is everyday use. So basically sneakers, formals, and loafers all would come in everyday use as well. So this is my um, topic. So the first thing that I have done is I have created a project like shown in the screenshot. These are the tags that I have created, that is formal, loafers, and sneakers, and everyday use is for basically all of them together. This is the prediction that is visible on my screen, and these are the quick tests that I have done. I have taken three pictures from the tags that I have uploaded, and I have taken two different images to check the difference. So these are the um, tests that I have done. So this is my custom vision portal. So now first thing that I will do is I will create a new project, and I will enter my project name as shoes. So this will be my project name. Here this is by default the resource permissions. Then this is going to be classification. Here I'm going to use multi-label because I'm going to use multiple tags for my images, and this is here I will create my project. Yeah, so this is my project. So now first thing that I will do is I will create tags. So I will create tags like sneakers, and I will save. Then I will create it as loafers, and I will save. Then I have my formal category, and I have one more category that is everyday use. So this is my category. So now I am going to upload images for my tags. So here I will add images. Now I have images already saved in my system. So my first category is formal. So I will select all the formal ones, and I will tag it for formal, and I will tag it for everyday use. So similarly, I have uploaded images for my other categories as well. These will be loafers, and this will be everyday use. So this is done for my loafers, and my last category of shoes will be sneakers. So this I will choose as everyday use and sneakers. So these are my images that I have done, and then I will click on my train button. So here I will use quick training and train it. So this training is basically taking time. So I have already trained my data and the performance has been done. So I will show you that. So this is my performance. Yeah, so as shown over here, precision is 100%. The recall is 83.3%. So the tags which are predicted correctly, and the model, what percentage it is finding, that is mentioned over here for 83.3%. And this is a measure for model performance. So basically it will recall at different thresholds as well. And this is my performance per tag. So here is my image count and the performance for every particular tag over here. So this is my performance that is given. So now I will first do a quick test. So I will browse, say, this sneakers. So now as you can see, the probability percentage is given over here. Sneakers is 79.8%. That is more because it is sneaker shoes. Loafers is 29.4%. Loafers 29.4% will be maybe because of the shape of the shoe, maybe of the color of the shoe. So yeah, the design of the shoe. Because of that, loafers is considered. And formal 7.5 is considered maybe because of the laces over here, because formal shoes do have lace as well as sneakers. So this might be the prediction for this one. Now I will browse another category of shoes. So I have considered this category. So here loafers is 46.1%. That is right. These shoes are loafers. Formal shoes is 23.3%. That must be because of the color or the texture of the shoes, because formal shoes are mostly brown in color. And it's sneakers 7.8%, because sneaker shoes usually have some kind of design on it. So it might consider the design that the shoes have. Now I'm going to consider the third category, formals. So again, formals here is 73.8% because these are formal shoes. Then this is sneakers, because sneakers have like laces to it that you can tie. They also have various designs. So maybe it will predict the designs. That's why it's considering 14%. And they consider loafers as well, because the design or the pattern of the shoe looks like a loafer. So now I'm going to consider one object, that is my Crocs. So I'm going to copy the image address and I am going to paste it here so that I get the prediction here. So as shown over here, this is predicting formal as 56%. It might consider formal 56 because the design of the Crocs looks like formal. Like usually the formal shoes are a little heighted from the front. So that's what it's looking like. It is giving 30.6% as sneakers, because sneakers are they have designs and something written on it. So as you can see, Crocs is written and there is some kind of design on it. So this is like sneakers. And loafers 25.1%, because the pattern somewhat looks like loafers. So the design and the color might look like loafers. Now I'm going to consider one more object. So I'm going to consider this object as my second object for prediction, and I'm going to paste my second object here. Yeah, so here I have got my prediction. So it says 34.2% of sneakers. So sneakers has some kind of design on it. It has some kind of something's written on it. It has some patterns, some lines. So that's the reason why it will consider it as sneakers. Formal 33.6%, because of the color and the texture of the object. It looks like formals. And loafer 8.3%. At times loafers have lines. They have a color in brown as well. So that's the reason why it must be looking at loafers. So this is the prediction for the images that I have done. The YouTube link I will be attaching over here. And that's it about my assignment. Thank you.